The inherent talent of the students of Don Bosco High School Matunga is nurtured through an abundance of cultural activities integrated in the school curriculum. To develop creativity and capacity for analytical thinking, besides developing a social mindset, the students are exposed to outreach programs and various co-curricular activities ranging from elocution, music, art and craft throughout the course of an academic year. The Chronicles of 1979 has much on these activities through the description of the clubs prevalent at the time. Don Bosco Matunga has a long list of famed and illustrious alumni. Some of these are of the batch of 1979. One of these is our present Indian Cabinet Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal, whom we were fortunate to have on our campus in November 2014 on the occasion of National Education Conference of Don Bosco Schools. Here, Mr. Goyal addressed the principals of Don Bosco schools across India and spoke with nostalgia about his schooling days at Don Bosco Matunga.
Ladies and gentlemen, I really don't know where to begin. It's a joyous day. It's a very momentous day for me to be able to come back on this stage where many a times I have faltered, many a times I have succeeded. A stage which not only brings back a lot of memories but also teaches me that while we can change some things in life, there will always be cosmetic, but the heart and soul of an institution will always remain the same. And for me, Don Bosco has provided me that heart and soul, which will always be in my DNA, irrespective of where I go, where I reach. Remember the principles, and as we speak, I remember 3 principals who have played a very big role in my growing up and coming here. While I was in the primary school here, Father Gyati was there for a large part of the period that I was in the primary school. The early grooming, the early teachings that I gained while I was in this building, the primary school, can never be forgotten. As I moved into senior school, Father Boni was my principal. Don Bosco is that institution which I remember even 45, 46 years ago, which provided free education to children, which provided boarding facilities to children coming from the slums, coming from the backward regions, the underprivileged sections of society.
Renowned Dr. Apurva Shah of Richfield Trichology Center is another passionate alumnus of the batch of 1979. He is still now closely associated with his alma mater, and he has a message for all of us on the occasion of the 80 years of the school.
The years spent in Don Bosco from 1968 to 1979 have been the most memorable years of my life. Every moment has been etched in my memory. It's great nostalgia whenever I think of Don Bosco. In fact, the morning walks still continue at Don Bosco. My son Shaurya was in Don Bosco. And as I said, my association, we have kept it very strong with Don Bosco in so many years. It's been the most amazing journey of my life. Every bit of whatever I am, I always tell everybody around me, and they think that I'm a Don Bosco fanatic. I say I owe it to Don Bosco. The strict teachers, the huge expanse of land, the great emphasis on sports, the great emphasis on elocution, in every aspect, it was perfect. The calendar to be given in the morning to take the table tennis bat, it's just been amazing. It's been an amazing 11 years or what more which I spent at Don Bosco. And I believe whatever I am in my life is because of the time which I spent in Don Bosco, because of the values which Don Bosco instilled in all of us. And I think, all of us, whoever have been Boscoites, will always remain a Boscoite all their life. Thank you, Don Bosco, for whatever I am. Thank you.